Number 5. Mid-Easy Cool. Mid-Ease 3-in-1 technology combines air conditioning, dehumidification, and fan-only modes that work together to increase the comfort of your home. This 8000 BTU model provides fast and efficient cooling and dehumidification ideal for rooms up to 350 square feet. Cools down your home, office or apartment for maximum comfort. An intuitive design remote control and a LED digital display panel will make it easy to change all the settings from across the room. This window unit installs easily without significant modification to the existing window frame, 23 to 36 x 15. 5. All mounting accessories, 23 to 36 x 14 are included. A screwdriver is required, but not included, for installation. For some window frames, pilot holes are recommended before installing screws. Please see included instruction manual for further detail. Number 4. MIDI MAW12V1QWT. With the advanced DC inverter technology, MIDI U achieves over 35% energy savings compared to other traditional units, and it's the first window AC to obtain the Energy Star Most Efficient 2020 certification. You may also get exclusive benefits from your local energy distributor. 9 times quieter than some traditional units. The U-shape blocks the noise from the cooling system using your window. This design allows for extremely quiet operation as low as 42 baud, almost as quiet as a library, so you can get a restful night's sleep or binge your favorite shows undisturbed. MIDI U-shaped design allows your window to open, bringing fresh air into your home anytime, allowing you to maintain more of your view. The MIDI U is Wi-Fi enabled. It can be controlled from anywhere through the cloud, using the MIDI Air app on iOS or Android. You can also use voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant if you prefer. Number 3. LG LW8016R. The LG 8000 BTU 115V window-mounted air conditioner is perfect for cooling a room up to 340 square feet. You will cool a lot and save even more with this unit's energy saver function, 24-hour on-off timer and a 12:1 energy efficiency ratio. With its stylish full-function remote, you can even get your cool on from across the room. LG patented gold fin anti-corrosion coating provides a protective shield so the unit lasts longer. Plus, setup is a cinch with the included installation kit. Noise indoor decibels, A, high-low, 58-50 seconds. Slide-out chassis. Window or through-the-wall installation. Power cord can run either left or right out of the side of the unit front. Remote control lets you make comfort adjustments from anywhere in the room. 24-hour timer lets you program on-off times. Number 2. LG LW1817 IVSM. Cooling a big room doesn't always have to cost you big bucks. It's all about efficiency. Our 18,000 BTU inverter unit can cool a large room up to 1000 sq.f without breaking the bank. The auto restart will automatically turn the unit back on following a power loss caused by a storm, wind, or extreme heat, so you don't have to. Up to 25% more energy efficient than the minimum Energy Star certification requirement with dual inverter technology. Low decibel quiet operation down to 44 decibels. LG Smart Thin Q Technology smartphone control, works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. 1000 SQ feet cooling area. 4 speeds. 4 cooling and fan speeds, with auto cool keep your cool under control. 3 powerful cooling and fan speeds allow you to control the temperature of your room at your pace. BA level, indoor outdoor 59/66. Number 1. LG 12000 BTU. The LG 12000 BTU 230V window-mounted air conditioner with 11,200 BTU supplemental heat function gives you everything you love about an air conditioner and more. Whether it's cold in April or hot in October, this unit has you covered, so you can always feel comfortable at home. In addition to cooling, this versatile unit offers supplemental heating, providing you with an additional heat source to your main heat source when outdoor temperatures are above 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Please note, this unit requires a special 230V electrical outlet and will not operate with a standard 115V household electrical outlet. Dry airflow, CFM, 265 dry airflow, CFM, 265 cooling power 12,000.